Hi, I'm Heidi, and I decided to try a Woobles kit after seeing an ad online and then checking out the website and seeing all the stellar reviews. I'd only been crocheting a couple of weeks and I only knew a few basic stitches, and so I wanted to try this. I wanted to finish something. The first thing I noticed after trying the Woobles is that everything is packaged with such care. The magic circle that's started for you, the stitch markers put in the right spots just so you know where to put your first stitches, and that everything is just packaged so well and the quality is so good. My experience was so good because the videos are everything. They help you along the process, teach you everything you need to know, and help you out if you get stuck. If there's anybody out there on the fence trying to decide to get one of these kits or not, do it. You will be so happy. I feel like I've learned so much, including how to read the patterns and how to do these stitches and even how to make a magic circle now. So I'm just thrilled. And I actually finished something, my little penguin, Pierre the penguin. So super cute, super fun, and they're quick and just everything is done so well. So thanks a lot.
I'm Allie from Minneapolis, and I want to share with you my latest creation, my Wooble. This past year, I've been trying to find a hobby that gets me off of my phone, off of a screen, and something that I can actually just do and relax. And on Instagram, when I was scrolling, I did see an ad for a little cute crochet penguin, and I'm like, I've never crocheted a thing in my life, but for some reason it was calling for me, so I decided to give it a shot, and it worked out. I'm completely obsessed now with Woobles and crocheting. At first it was a little tricky to kind of pick it up, but thankfully there are videos that walk you through it, and they're really easy to follow. This little guy I worked on for about a week after my daughters went to bed, and he came out really cute, and now I'm actually working on my second one because I am obsessed with these. It's really easy once you get the hang of it, and it actually kind of becomes addicting and you just want to keep doing more and more. So if you've been thinking about trying Woobles, I do highly recommend it. It is really fun. You make a cute little animal at the end, and you do feel really proud of yourself for what you've completed.
Hey guys, my name is Rachel, and I would like to introduce you guys to my new Wooble friend. His name is Mashed Tato. And would you guys believe that he was actually born from pretty much a little ball of string about this big and a crocheting hook, all provided by the Woobles. So I have been absolutely bored to tears lately with the whole pandemic going on, and I've been looking for any kind of new hobby or craft or activity I can learn to do in my spare time. And I actually stumbled upon an Instagram ad for the Woobles, and I checked it out, and I just thought, oh, it's so cute. I love it. There's so many different options for different little friends and animals you could make. And I figured, hey, what the heck? Let's give it a try. It's cheap. It seems easy. Let's try. So I got it in the mail, and they provided everything you need to get started. When I say everything, I mean I didn't have to go to the store to get any other thing. They got everything for me. And they also provide you with a step-by-step video tutorial for complete beginners like me. I'm not crafty, I'm not artistic, I'm not anything like that. So it was super easy to follow. It was super cathartic. You guys, you can pop on music and just kind of crochet your little friend in your free time. It's awesome. And they're cute. So what's not to love? So go check it out at the Woobles. I really don't think you'll regret it. Like I said, they're cheap, they're cute, it's fun, like it's the perfect kind of activity, and you get to learn a new hobby. Guys, I'm so excited to start crocheting more things. You have no idea. I definitely want to check out more Woobles, but I also want to check out other crocheting things. And like I said, I did not know how to do any of this stuff prior. I didn't even know the names of these things. So it's really exciting to be able to, you know, have a new hobby during these trying times. So thank you to the Woobles and Justine. It's been a great experience.
I decided to try out the Woobles just because I wanted to do something new, try something new, do something just for myself. And I came across their Instagram page and I started looking through it, and that's when I saw that cute little bunny, and instantly I decided, that's it. I need to learn how to make this. This is the cutest thing ever. After trying them out, the first thing I noticed was just how fun the whole experience was. I went from being someone who's never picked up a crochet hook. I had no idea what the terminology went, to someone who was able to make a bunny that looks just like the picture, right? Just like it. Look at the tail. I did that. I'm so proud of myself. My experience with the Woobles has just been so rewarding. I now have a new skill. I am definitely doing all the kits. It comes in this cute little bag. I am even in the process of making another bunny. This one's pink though. I love pink. But now I know how to make bunnies. If anyone's on the fence about trying Woobles out, my suggestion is go for it. My only regret is not finding them sooner. I'm absolutely in love. I'm hooked. I cannot make bunnies. So if you're thinking about it, stop. Go ahead, get yourself a kit. You won't regret it.